Imagine 31st December 2026 and you feel like you have to make another vision board, but you also feel you wasted another year of your life. So, to solve this, welcome back to my channel and we are going to just decode this entire thing to how to become accountable and to become more achievable person. The first thing is that a reality check. Only 6 months of this year is left, and we have to buckle up and do whatever we wanted to do in our life and just achieve. Many of us will be in the final year of our college, and many are also searching for the jobs and internships. So, it's a very important part of our life to achieve whatever we want to achieve. Action speaks louder than words. So, what is action? Basically, something which we have already done. So, this completed thing creates a lot of value in our life. See, we always dream about our goals to get achieved, and we also, like for example, myself, I used to write a lot of my goals in the notebook. Just writing the goals in the notebook won't help you to achieve in the long run. You have to act, you have to execute. So, this execution part is very important. You have to execute things because that's the only way to do the things correctly. You can't imagine of doing something and not do at all. How to become accountable and achieve all your dreams. In the process of achieving all your goals, you will be having a time in your life where the thing is that you don't have enough energy to complete the work. So you have to maintain the energy. So work according to your energy. For example, if you have a lot of energy, you can complete all your goals in one day or in a week. But when the time comes when you have very little energy and you feel not to work, then what will you do? You will skip the work or you will quit the work entirely. But that's the very important part. You have to be able to continue in the lowest of your energies as well. So protect your energy, maintain your energy, and then work hard. That was the initial part of the video, but the main thing is yet to come because this thing speaks about you need to use a notebook or Notion app to become accountable in whatever you do. So the first one is very clear. If you have a plain notebook, just use it for writing daily what you have accomplished. And if you have enough storage in your phone, you can download the Notion app, and that's the best app for productivity. And honestly, I'm using it. So you have to download the Notion app and just use it for your day-to-day accountability work. I have learned this from my past internship that you have to complete all your work in a day and you have to attend a wrap up meeting. So this wrap up meeting also helps us to become accountable of what you have done in the entire day. We see ourselves through a bigger lens, like what we have completed in a year or 6 months. But you have to first think about what you have done in a single day. So for that, the most important thing we can do is to maintain a wrap up meeting. So I personally do a wrap up meeting for myself, with myself at 9 p.m. So in that time, I will be asking myself. There will be no one in the meeting, only just myself, and I'll asking myself what I have completed in this day. So that helps to bring the accountability part and helps to maintain what else I have to do. That's very obvious, right? So if you have only one thing done in the entire day, then you will feel that, oh, I have to complete five more things tomorrow. So that's the main purpose of having the wrap up meeting with yourself. Now, after watching this video, write it that you have to make a to do list and then maintain a notebook for your accountability work or a Notion app. Just write down what you want to achieve in the next 6 months of this year, and then make sure that you attend all your 9 p.m. meetings so that you make all your days accountable for what you have done.